Welcome, welcome. Well, I just thought I'd do a really quick video here because I was heading out and my daughter is in Jamaica right now and she keeps sending me pictures and videos, and I say, you know what, take some nice footage because I can share it with you guys. And the more she sends me is the more I miss in Jamaica. But kind of wish I was there with her, I'm not gonna lie. But anyway, I'm looking after her cat. And so I'm staying at her place while she's there, and I just discovered a little park right next door to where she lives, and you can see it here in the background, and it's really great. There's nobody else here today. I don't know how, it's such a beautiful day, but I just wanted to just drop in and say hi to you guys. And I've been really enjoying your comments on the last video talking about the 10 things that I miss, or 10 of the things that I miss about Jamaica. Wow, the sun is really, maybe I'll go under the shade here. But anyway, the more she speaks to me, the more I'm remembering. Man, there's so much about Jamaica that, I haven't even touched on in the last video. And right now she's on a quest to find a good Jamaican box food, right? Box lunch in Jamaica. There's just no other thing that compares to it. And, she's with Lloyd. Culture, I told you about him in one of my older videos, the first videos. His mother and who has recently passed away, and I'm really sad because she's a sweet woman. And anyway, Lloyd is there with my daughter today and her boyfriend, and taking them up and down, taking them to the house that we lived in and to the town Claremont that we came from, and just all those things that are just so nostalgic and that I remember. And he is taking her there today, so you can just imagine my heart is with her and in Jamaica today more than ever before. So anyway, I'm hoping that I'll get some footage from that and I'll be able to share with you guys. So stay tuned and I'll talk to you soon. I'm off to do errands, guys. Bye.
Welcome to the jungle.
Oh, this is the nice part of the road. Let's wait until we find some big potholes. Of course, now it's so nice. Now that we're trying. Oh, yeah. See some nice ones.
Sharp left. Head northeast. In 300 meters, make a U-turn.
What?
How's the Wi-Fi? Oh.
This is Portland, and we're about to go around the corner of this beat road to see Trident, which is like, yes, when my parents got married, but they didn't get married in this spot. They got married in the little chapel around the back. Here we are.
Have a bit. Hey.
Saya macam Pinamel.
Up, 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 up.
That just takes you right back, eh guys? I just enjoyed watching all of her videos, and you know, I just wish she had been able to take more, because you just want to see so much of Jamaica when you're seeing these videos. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. I'm sure that they will enjoy having it as a memento of their trip home. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. So please share with your friends, subscribe, like, comment. I love to see your comments. Take care. See you on the next video.